Hello and welcome back. See anything unusual about this bedside nightstand? No, I'm not talking about the clutter and the mess that's on it. I'm talking about the lamp. While it's a decent looking lamp and it does go with the decor, we've had some issues with it. While at first glance it looks like you have two pivot joints on here that are easily adjustable, that's far from the case. So adjusting the height and direction of the lamp is very limited. The rotary switch on top is a long reach from the bed, and because the sconce is not adjustable, you get a lot of glare when trying to read from the bedside. Looking for a solution, we came across these Hampton LED Desk Lamps. These give us dimmable lighting, selectable color temperature, they're adjustable, and they provide wireless charging. Let's take a look. Inside the box, we get one lamp and has a base that it pivots off of, then it expands out. And we have power, we have dimming capability, we have the letter M, which I'm not sure what that stands for yet, and there seems to be a timer so we can time this out. And of course, you can put a wireless charging device on there and charge. What else do we get in the box? Power adapter and use and warranty information. So let's connect this and see what it looks like. The power cord measures 46 inches, which I find a bit on the short side, and easily plugs into the back of the plastic base. You get a soft glow LED light indicating that there is power. The top section measures about 12 inches, bottom section 14, with a base that's 4.5 wide by 7 deep. With our old lamp off, we hit the power switch. Now if we hit M, that is actually for color temperature, there are 3000 Kelvin, 3500, 4000, 5000, and finally 6500. Then it'll just cycle through again. The button on the right will allow the light to stay on for 30 minutes, or if you want it for an hour, then it'll turn off automatically. You'll get a green for 30 minutes, you'll get a blue for the hour, and of course, you can just reset it by hitting it again, and now it just stays on for as long as you hit the on and off switch. Dimmer control is just touch. If you go to one extreme, it'll dim down fast, or you can pick something in between. And finally, you have wireless charging. And the soft red LED light will go blue. The base of the arm can pivot back. It can pivot forward. The upper portion can pivot up or down, and the entire thing can pivot to either side. So conceivably, you can go almost 90 degrees off in either direction. And so you can actually use this to bounce your light off the side of a wall. The light consumes 6 watts, 5 for induction charging, has a light output of 300 lumens, comes with a 3-year warranty, and meets UL standards. With wireless charging, we now eliminate a bunch of USB cords. So, should you consider buying these lamps? Well, after talking to my boss, she said she enjoys the convenience of the power switch, the adjustability of the lamps, and color temperature. So for us, these 2 lamps are a keeper. We picked these up at Home Depot. At the time, they were 13 bucks a piece. They were on sale. If you found this video interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, join the subscription team, and as always, thank you for so much for watching.